What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm jumping right into the video. This is a DIY nails video. I am doing my own nails. Right now, I am just sizing them to my fingers. I already know some of the nail sizes, but not all of them, so that's what I'm doing right now. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and you can find all this stuff at Amazon. And also, excuse my nappy ass head. I am in need of some water, some conditioner, and a retwist, but we just gonna ignore that in this video. So now that my nails are all sized, I'm just going to cut them and reshape them. They already come coffin size, but, well, the style, but they're a little longer than I like, so I'm just going to cut them and reshape them. And then I just like to put them together to make sure they are the same size and shape, you know, just like you do at the nail salon when they hold your hands up together, make sure they're the same size. So now that I am done with that, I'm just going to do my real nails. So I'm just going to use the hard side to get off all that old glue, and then I'll go in with the soft side to file them, and then I'll use the buffer to smooth them out. And I put cuticle oil on my nail. I just don't think I got it in the clip. So now that the area is semi-clean, it is time to put the nails on these little things. I don't know what they're called, y'all. I cannot remember, but nail holders. Okay, and it's so easy. I am bad at painting, so I got this so I can paint my nails before I actually put them on. And then I got the little tacky stuff. It's only $2. And then I like that the container is magnetic, so it's easy to just put them. They stay, like it's not wobbly. And I'm just cleaning the little stuff off the side of the nail. Once again, if you get your nails done, you know how that like left over when you file it, how it would be left over. I'm just choosing what color I want, and all these are like pinky nudes, so I'm just choosing. And it's time to paint. You guys already know, base coat, color, top coat. Then I let it cure for 30 or 60 seconds. I can't remember. 60. And these are the rhinestones I got from Amazon as well. I got this for $7.99, I think. So I am not good at like cute and creative designs when it comes to rhinestones. So I'm gonna just cover the whole nail. Now, my effective method for keeping my press-ons on for like 2 to 3 weeks is I put a tad bit of glue on my real nail and then I put some on the back of the fake nail as well. And that's what helps them stay down really good. And you have to make sure your nails are clean, so wash your hands before putting the nails on. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. This is how I get my DIY nails the last 2-3 weeks. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.